Hello, East Baton Rouge Parish students, and welcome back for the 2021 school year. Today, we're going to review taking online assessments in IO Classroom. You'll notice one change this year is how you access the student portal. So we're going to go over these steps together, and hopefully this will help you to be successful. The first thing you need to do is access the IO student portal. This year, you will need to use the link posted here on the left side of the screen, portal.assessment.ioeducation.com. Your teachers will be linking this through Google Classroom. Once you access the website, you will need to enter a username and password. To enter your username and password, you'll need your 7-digit student ID and your 6-digit birthday. Your username will be your 7-digit student ID at ebrschools.org, and your password will be your 7-digit student ID plus your 6-digit birthday. There's an example on the left side of your screen. Once you enter your username and password, click Sign In. Once you're signed in, to begin your test, on the left side of the screen, you'll notice a navigation pane, and you'll see Take Test Online. Click Take Test Online and enter the session ID that was provided by your teacher. Once you have that session ID entered, simply click Start and your test will begin. Once you've answered all the questions on your assessment and you're on the Review Your Answers screen, be sure to click Submit Test so that you can be all finished. If you do not click Submit Test, your teacher will not be able to see your test. I hope this helps you, and I hope you have a wonderful school year.